right, today is shoot day. Friends from Boston, Min and TT. Lighting's horrible, we're gonna go eat now. So we decided to eat first and we'll shoot later. So the best part about eating pho like this, because you can cook the meat in its separate broth, so it doesn't contaminate with the actual broth. So you take the meat, you dip it, and you eat it with your damn noodle, you know what I'm saying? All I want is flavor and Min. What's up, TT? What's up, Chris? What up? Let's go, let's feast. Yo! Guys, quick pit stop, check this out. We're gonna get some fresh chicken off the street. Pork rind, pork skin, yeah, look at that, fresh, boy. It's the way to get it. Let's get some fresh chicken. Here we go, here we go. All the goodies. This is what we're here for. Right here, guys. Check it out, wow. Hey. You gotta get while it's fresh. Gotta show my friends around. TT, check it out. Look at this, look at this. Look at it. Woo. Have you guys experienced this before?
No, never.
You want to get it while it's fresh. Look at that, man. This is LA for you guys, man. This is real LA. That's the culture. None of that Beverly Hills, Hollywood sign, Runyon. No, no. This is real Hollywood right here. Cooking fresh chicken. He's on the corner of 41st Street and Alameda. You heard it from me. Come get those chicken. Freshly grilled. Baby, baby. Training day. Check it out. Boom. Me and TT was fighting over the wings earlier. She took the other one. I wanted all of them. Oh man.
Yeah,
oh shit.
Thank you.
I told them to cook it crispy because I love things crispy.
Oh yeah, that works. Is it good?
Is this spicy?
Yeah.
Is that spicy?
I like this one.
So crispy.
Is that spicy?
I'm telling
This
you,
one's not spicy.
street chickens is where it's at.
It's
Man,
like a fresh rotisserie chicken.
get it, man.
Yes.
Tell me how it
got
tastes.
I think I ate a bone.
Crispy, crispy. Right there, hold
Oh,
on.
it's good.
Is this red one spicy?
Oh yeah, it's good.
Fire. Flavorful. What do you think?
Oh, yeah. Oh wow.
You got it? It's still hot?
Spicy?
This one, I
This
tried
one.
Oh, that's spicy?
You might like that one.
Still hot, Chris?
Yeah, it's hot.
You don't like spicy, right?
Yeah.
Oh, these are the little size they give us.
Oh. Kaya. No.
So I just snatched this from Chris. This right here. This is my favorite part. So you break it off right here. Boom. It's the cartilage. Very good. Juicy. Ooh, man. So good. Oh, I got bone. You pretty much can eat everything. It's so crispy.
Yeah.
I love it. Man, this chicken is good. It'd be better with rice. Oh, we got rice right here. They do give us rice. God damn it, it was in the little cup. I didn't recognize it. So in Southeast Asia, us Cambodian, we eat it with our hands. So this is normal. Look, wow. My friends say I'm loud when I chew.
That was good.
So when you eat loud in our culture, that's
a
an
compliment to the chef,
That's a
right?
compliment to the chef. Like the food is bomb. You know what I'm saying? You moan, you groan. That's a sign of you enjoying the food. Because goddamn, it's really good. All right. What to next? Oh shit, we got a drumstick right here, half a drumstick. It's got the top cut off. So good. So earlier I was fighting TT over another wing, but guess what? Underneath this damn thigh right here, there's another piece of damn chicken wing. That's the favorite part of everybody. When everybody order buffalo wings, they order for the flats. They don't want the drumstick because that's too thick. Because we like it lean, baby.
Stuff with like upholstery.
how it works. David and his fans. Alright guys, we had David soft serve. So we're gonna get the swirl and the sundae. Here we go guys, the swirl on a cone, man. And we got the sundae on a cup. So David is saying this weekend is better than the last. So I can't wait, man. Check this out, boy. Woo! TT, go for it.
TT, you go for it. No, it's gonna fall.
No, I'm like, no some class down here.
Oh wow. It's like fried, ground up with pure lime.
Woo! So good. You reckon?
I follow Joe too.
Oh hell yeah, man.
really a
Okay,
big
okay. All right. I'll get in there.
Nice for you.
Darian's secretly happy.
Yeah, he is. Aw, that's so cute.
Okay, guys. We are out here in Vasquez Rocks. Last time I've been here was like maybe 5-6 years ago. It's crazy. Look at that, guys. The famous Vasquez Rocks. They film Star Wars here.
Oh wow, you have to get all the way up there.
How do you? Big old toss. I can touch it, but we can touch it, but we can't grip it. If you can reach that, Chris, we can climb all the way up.
If I can reach that, you give me $20.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you $20.
All right.
All right, just American muscle.
Oh, it's a hat.
No, I'm just.
This is random, guys. But we're bouldering.
Oh!
We're bouldering.
I keep slapping it.
Yeah, you got. What are you trying to grab?
I'm just trying to
gotta
grab
get to the top.
something. Any
I think you're missing a foot. Ooh. I guess this is definition of primitive. You tuck yourself in there. What do you see, mate? So we found this rock and we're trying to climb it.
Man, that was tough.
Here, catch. Ready?
You have to tuck yourself in that little crack.
Catch. Alright guys, if you want to avoid traffic, you take the back road. the back road. How was the shoot, guys?
Awesome.
It was great.
Man, they did good. So we're here out in Vasquez Rock. Today is a very random day. Everything was very spontaneous to visit. Food, snacks, dessert, everything. Boom! We're at Korean barbecue. Check it out, baby.
Oh, they put apples in it.
Yeah. It's a celebration, bitches. Korean barbecue time.
Thank you. That's brisket. Okay.
Second order. That's so bad. Yeah, that's how you do it. Alright guys, how would you rate this Korean barbecue joint?
9 out of 10.
Yeah. I would
What?
say
Only
about the
because I wanted the marinated meats to taste, you know, a lot better.
same.
Yeah.
She's saying like
I mean
the LA
better,
short
just a
rib
little
or
bit
short
better.
rib could have been better.
Yeah.
Okay.
But number 1 was beef tongue.
Oh yeah, for
Oh
sure.
man, hell yeah.
And
I love this place.
I love
10 out of 10, man. Not 9 out of 10. I should have ordered that
I
marinated.
don't give.
stuff.
I never give places 10, man. I just go
Alright.
to an 8.5 or 9. Yeah.
But then you give. No, the sides were really good though. So the sides
Oh, they were
bump
so
it up.
fast with
They were very
service.
fast with service, so that has to give them half a point.
Yeah, there you go, guys.
9.5.
If you ever in Los Angeles, hi Jung Tong. So we can't find parking, guys. We're not allowed to eat inside, so we took the whole damn thing and ate it in the car. Gonna eat it in the car. Look at that, guys.
I already bit into it.
Oh shit, you went ahead on it. Look at that, man. It's a celebration, bitches. It's a celebration.
How about the spoons?
Wine and dining,
you guys
baby.
go. I can share with TT, and then there's 3. So yeah, all right.
This is a perfect portion for 4 people.
Tell my mama I love her.
Are you alright?
Too fast.
I always make this mistake, man. Always from. Never learn.
What's going on, Chris?
I ate too fast.
And then what happened?
And then later it travels down your throat, and then
Okay.
you feel it right here. It's cold, 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 and then you feel it, and then the food goes here into your heart. That's where your heartburn happens, and then later, once it reaches past here, then
What the
it's
heck,
chill.
really? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, so you're
So it's like a brain. It's like a brain freeze that you get a
It's not
heartburn.
brain. I
No,
feel
no,
it.
but
I
he
feel
feels
where the
that down
food
the
is.
tract.
I don't get
Oh.
it in my brain.
No
It's
way.
the cold, yeah.
So you get it in the body. It's
Yeah, I
like-
get it in the body.
And you have esophagus.
Oh, no way.
in my esophagus, in my intestines.
And it goes up to your butthole.
No, okay, it chills out that by then it's
Yeah,
melting.
because it gets hot down there.
Yeah.
Hot shit. Hot shit.